Now I am Abdullah Mamun, lecturer of Daulatpur Girls Degree College in English. Our educational system is very harmful for the COVID-19. Our government has taken a proper step to deliver the online class for the student. So welcome to the student to join the online class. Now I have discussed about the rules of pre-modifier. Now I will see the example of modifiers. This is the 9 long questions. We will get 10 kinds of gaps here. So every gap will contain 0.5 marks. So 0.5 into 10 is equal 5. The village doctor is a very dash person. So pre-modify the noun. So here noun is person. So I will give the extra information about the person. How kinds of the person is? The person is familiar, the person is common, and many others. So familiar is a correct answer. Now in the rural areas of Bangladesh, he is dash. Pre-modify the verb known is as what? So here known is verb. So your answer will be give the extra information about known. So your answer will be usually, locally, naturally. So naturally, locally, usually gives the extra information about the known. So here answer is usually. A village doctor is not a dash to the noun. Here noun is a doctor. Noun is a doctor. So your answer will be given the extra information about the doctor. How kinds is a village doctor? The village doctor is not registered. The village doctor is not qualified, MBBS and many others. So your answer will be qualified, MBBS or registered. He usually sits in a small dispensary. Post modify the verb. Here in the verb is sits. So your answer will be the extra information about the sits. Where do the village doctor sit? The village doctor sits. The village doctors sit normally a village market or a village. So your answer will be in the village. In the village. He treats the patients. Use present participle phrase to post modify the verb. Here the verb is treats. Your answer will be verb plus ing plus other words. So takes, taking a small fish, taking a small amount of money. So your answer will be taking a small fish or taking a small amount of money. So taking a small fish. A village doctor is not a dash, pre-modify the noun. Here the noun is man. Noun is man. So we modify the noun. So here noun is man. So your answer will give the extra information about a man. How is a village doctor? The village doctor is not a rich man. So rich gives the extra information about the man. The means the qualified of man. How is the man? His chamber is. We modify the verb. Here the verb is furnished. The verb is furnished. So a village doctor's chamber is poorly furnished. Common furnished. Now poorly gives the extra information about the furnished. He cannot supply costly medicine to dash. Pre-modify the noun. So noun is patients. Your answer gives the extra information of the patients. A village doctor treats a poor patient. So our answer will be poor. He cannot supply the costly medicine to poor patients. So your answer will poor. Now the number of qualified doctor is dash. Use an intensifier to modify the adjective. So here few is adjective and your answer will intensify. So very is adverb. Very is adverb and intensifier. So very gives the extra information about the few. So few is adjective and very is adverb. As a result, few, very gives the extra information about few. Very few, so little. So very is intensifier. Very is intensifier. So our answer is very. So a village doctor is a great friend to the dash villager. So I will give the extra information about the villagers. A village doctor is a great friend to the villagers. How kinds of the people to take medicine to the village doctor. So here we can write a answer poor. So poor. The poor gives the extra information about the villager. So how is the villagers? How is the villager? How are the villagers? Poor villagers. So poor gives the extra information about the villager. So now this passage is solved by the correct answer. Especially I told to you that you have got the point. The next class we will start the another parts of questions. Now welcome or thank you to the student and viewers. Thank you. No more today.